Spy Ninjas, in the last video, we found some clues that Project Zorgo was framing Chad and they were gonna rob a bank.
They might be framing you too, V.
Oh, yeah. The bank might be called Banks. We didn't hear it correctly in Chad's video, but thanks to you ninjas, we found a bank that's on Jones Street. It's very close to here, so I think it's the one. Oddly enough, we ran into Steven.
Hey, what's going on, Spy Ninjas?
So Steven's gonna join us to stop the bank robbery. All right, guys, before we head into the bank, we are going to gear up. I have my spy gadgets with me in my backpack. I have my listening device. I have my binoculars and a bunch of other cool spy gadgets. Chad, what do you have?
We've got a bunch of ninja gear back here. We are not going to rob the bank with them. We are going to stop the bank robbers. Just to be clear, we're the good guys. We're stopping the bank robbers. And Steven and I are going to have to pick some. I think, Daniel, you should probably get one too, huh?
Okay.
Let's take a look at what we got here. We've got some ninja stars right here. You got to be careful with those. These, let's back up here. Back up, Daniel. Get out of my face, Daniel. We don't want you to be too close to these because these are not just little tiny sticks like you might think they are. They are really cool weapons. Isn't that cool, Steven?
Yeah, I'm standing clear of those things. I don't know what they do.
Check this out, though. They go together like so. Now, it is a bow staff.
Whoa.
Watch out. Woo! So I'm gonna use this one, guys, if you're cool with that. You cool with that?
Yeah, it looks like you're the only one that knows how to use that.
Oh, okay.
Hey, hey, I know how to use that too, Steven.
These are pretty cool. You wear these on your middle finger like so, and they give it a little spin like that, and
Whoa.
Pretty cool ninja gadget. This is a futuristic ninja machete. It's extremely sharp on both ends. On this end and that end.
And on the top.
And on the top. And everywhere.
Everywhere.
The only place not sharp is on the handle. It's safe to grab there. And then we have the classic ninja sword, the katana. Steven, which one are you feeling the most?
Which one's calling to you?
Yeah.
I think I might use katana.
Oh.
Let's check this thing out. Whoa.
Oh, it's a black blade.
Black blade, white handle. I think this is the perfect spy gadget to use.
Well, I think we gotta have you test it out, test your ninja skills. You need a little bit of training first.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's train me on this thing.
All right, let's do it.
All right,
what about me, guys?
Yeah, Daniel, which one of these do you want?
Which one you feeling?
You know what? I'm gonna do this one right here.
Oh, the sharp one.
Yes.
Be careful with that.
Okay, I'll try.
All right, I guess that leaves me with ninja stars. I can handle these pretty well.
And we'll just leave these behind for now.
All right, guys, now that we have our ninja gadgets ready, let's test them out on some fruit. Chad and I are actually pretty experienced with fruit cutting, so let's have Steven and Daniel chop some fruit today.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
I don't think it's gonna stand up by itself. We're gonna just lay it down like this. Maybe you should chop it while it's spinning.
Ooh.
That would be so cool.
That sounds hard, but try it.
And you know, I got something new, guys, for going into battle with.
Oh, let's see it.
Check
Wait,
this out.
wait. We're not, this is a PG
Yeah,
video,
what are you
Chad.
doing?
What's going on here?
I'm keeping it PG.
Okay.
Whoa.
Check this out. A new item.
Ooh.
Stealth armor.
That's right, some ninja armor. If I run into any bad guys with ninja gadgets, no problem.
If I kick you, will you feel it?
Nope, probably not. Go ahead.
I'll try it.
Look at that. Doesn't even hurt.
Hit him some more.
Don't hurt. Yeah, you're gonna hurt your hand.
Whoa.
You're gonna hurt your hand.
Ow.
All right, let me try kicking you.
Don't kick down here, okay?
I don't know how my aim is, you guys.
I'm gonna cover this part down here.
Okay.
Aim for the chest.
Okay, all right.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it didn't even hurt. She probably almost broke her foot there.
They're good, you guys. All right, Chad, show Steven how you work this katana.
I think Steven knows.
Oh yes, he's definitely been chopping fruit before with us.
He's an experienced fruit chopper. He's been in some of our videos chopping fruit. You know what to do.
I'm ready to do this. All right. Ninjas, stand back. Katana versus watermelon.
All right, Steven, I'm gonna give it a little spin and you're gonna give it a little chop.
Okay.
Here we go. Chop that watermelon.
3, 2, 1. Hiya!
Oh my gosh, you are an experienced ninja.
I am ready to do this.
Yeah.
And here we come.
You're gonna save that bank.
Yeah.
Wait a second.
What?
Daniel, don't put that camera down. I saw you gotta chop some fruit too. This will be your very first fruit chop, won't it?
Oh jeez, yeah. front of all these ninjas. I'm gonna embarrass myself.
Let me grab the camera here from you.
Okay.
Daniel.
All right.
Are you ready?
I think so. I've watched lots of baseball. This is very similar, right?
Yeah. Well, don't swing like a baseball though.
Okay.
I think you gotta swing chopping downward.
All right.
You
Everybody
good?
ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay.
Count us down.
3, 2, 1.
Good job.
Pretty good, right?
How does that feel, Daniel?
Feels great.
Yeah?
I think I'm ready to take down these hackers.
Oh, good. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Woo!
All right, guys, we just dropped some fruit. Let's go save the bank. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Let's do this.
Let's do this thing.
Ninjas unite!
Yeah!
Unite.
Are they here yet?
Where are they? This is the bank right on Jones Street. They came to the right place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the bank.
There's been nobody here all day.
How long have we been here now?
I don't know, like 2 or 3 hours, I feel like.
Yeah.
It's been so long. Can you pass me the potato chips?
Yeah. I'm getting hungry too. Nothing. What are we supposed to do?
So here we are at Beale. It's Beale Bank is what it turned out to be, guys. Beale. I've never even heard of a Beale Bank USA. But that's where we are. The hackers are supposed to come. And we've been waiting.
Yeah, it's way past 2:35 when we overheard. That's what they said. They're going to be here at 2:35, right?
Yeah.
It's like 3 o'clock now.
I wonder if they got like tipped off or something.
Yeah, I did. Did somebody tell them that we were here to stop them?
Is there any possible way? Did we leave any traces of anything?
I don't know.
Did they recognize our Tesla, maybe?
Oh, that's right.
Maybe we shouldn't have parked so close to the bank.
You guys, look over there. Look at that suspicious person over there.
Where? I don't see anybody.
Right there, the one in the black hoodie.
They look really suspicious.
Yeah, look at them. Here.
The person we've been waiting for.
All right, let me get my binoculars real quick.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you see?
So they're definitely hiding something in their pocket.
Yeah.
I see something. It's big.
What is that?
He's like covering his face.
Yeah, okay. I think that's definitely the person that we're looking for. Let's go corner them, Chad.
Me and you?
Who else want to come along?
We'll protect the
Yeah,
Tesla.
yeah. You're
What?
tiny.
Yeah.
You're a spy.
Yeah, you guys got it. You got
can
the
do this.
ninja gear. You got the spy gadgets. You're good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, all right.
You ready,
Let's
Lee?
do it. All right, guys. I'm small and I'm very sneaky, so I'm gonna just go and try to follow this person.
All right, I'll follow you.
Hey! Wait! Hey! Stop! Hey!
We know what you did. We know what you. Stop right there.
What?
I'm sorry, I'll give it back, I promise.
What?
My
What-
friend
what-
dared me to steal the Skittles, okay? I'm sorry, don't hurt
Oh
me.
wait, you
Skittles?
didn't rob the bank?
No, rob a bank? No, I
Wait.
stole some Skittles for a stupid dare.
Oh,
Skittles?
you stole Skittles.
Oh my gosh! It's just some random girl.
Are you guys gonna hurt me?
No.
No.
We thought you were trying to rob a bank, so we were gonna stop you.
But stealing candy or stealing anything is wrong.
That is wrong. You shouldn't have done
You
that.
shouldn't have done that.
Sorry,
Okay, so what are you gonna do? You should go back and just pay for these.
Yes, you should.
you're right. You're right.
You take that. You go pay for those.
Okay.
Let this be a lesson
Okay.
to never
sorry.
steal again. Man, all these Skittles went to waste now on the floor.
You know, how am I gonna taste the rainbow when it's on the floor?
Exactly. You don't want to taste that. Back into the car. Well, guys, that wasn't a bank robber.
It wasn't.
Wasn't?
No, it's just some random girl. She stole Skittles.
What?
Yeah.
She stole Skittles?
We thought she was robbing the bank, but we told her to go back and pay for them. She did, so.
She did?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She made that right.
All right.
She did, yeah.
Well, we did one good thing today so far, I guess.
Yeah, we stopped the Skittles robbery.
Nothing
That's-
else,
That's,
yeah.
that's pretty good.
Yeah.
How do you feel about that, V? It's not us stopping a bank robbery, but we stopped
No,
the Skittles
I
robbery.
feel pretty good. I
Yeah.
mean, now I'm kind of in the mood for some candy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we might need some candy.
I got some Sour Patch.
We got a lot of snacks back here.
Oh, good.
All right, you guys, let's move this hunt outside of the Tesla. What do you
Okay.
think?
Yeah,
Yeah,
let's do it.
Let's go.
Yeah, maybe we're sitting ducks in here. We gotta change up the locale.
Where should we go?
Maybe just one of these rocks.
Yeah, if we're out here, sitting here, maybe the hackers will see us and they'll like be too afraid to rob the banks.
That's true.
Or like guarding the bank.
Yeah, exactly.
Not to mess with it.
Once they see Steven Sharer, they're like, I ain't gonna rob no bank.
Yeah, you don't stand a chance.
That's right.
Yeah, no hackers are gonna show up with us sitting here, guys. They're gonna be too afraid.
No, of course not.
No.
Wait a second. Do you see? Look at this guy. Check this guy out.
He looks so funny. Look at this. What the heck? What's he wearing?
Gosh, Halloween's over. Why is he so
Yeah,
dressed like that?
he thinks it's Halloween or something.
Who's that guy?
I don't know.
This is so weird.
Wait, someone's coming.
Wait, someone else is coming.
Oh my gosh, are you Joseph Banks, the scientist?
Why, yes, I'm Joseph Banks. Nice to meet you.
I learned about you in my science class.
It's like, wait, did you say Joseph Banks?
They said Joseph Banks, the scientist, is what she said.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Wait, didn't it say Jay Banks?
Wait,
So is it not a bank at all?
Maybe he's
It has
not.
nothing to do with the bank.
They're gonna rob Joseph Banks.
Oh, the person.
So we need to go tell him that he's the one who's gonna get robbed, not the bank.
Yeah, we gotta warn him. Let's go.
Wait, where'd he go?
What happened to him?
Where'd he go?
Where is he? You can see him anywhere?
Which way did he go?
Wait, did you guys see?
He's got to be around here somewhere.
Wait, hello? Hello?
Joseph Banks?
Mr. Joseph Banks?
Joseph Banks. Wait, I think I saw some movement down here. Wait. I thought I saw some movement over here. I don't see anything though.
There's nothing.
So who is this Joseph Banks guy?
I don't know, Steven, I think he's looking it up.
Joseph Banks is a scientist. He won a Nobel Prize in 1985 for mixture B235.
Wait, B235? We overheard the hackers earlier, and they said they're gonna rob the bank at 2:35, or that's what we overheard. So it's
They must
actually
have meant-
not the time at all. They're probably
Has to do with
talking
his
about
mixture.
this.
Maybe his chemical mixture means something.
Yeah, that's the thing. The words kept cutting out, so we couldn't really hear. Maybe there's more words that were cutting out. That.
Oh, the denoiser. Oh yeah.
Is
let
it done
me-
yet? We gotta hear what that is.
Okay, yeah.
Is it ready?
30 more seconds.
Okay.
All right, so
Yeah, we gotta hear this thing.
okay. All right, guys, it's ready. I'm gonna press play.
All right.
And let's listen to what it says.
Let's hear it.
Play.
Robbing banks will be a great way to replicate aspects of even more YouTubers like Chad Wild Clay. Joseph Banks will never see it coming. Once we have the mixture in our hands, we'll be able to impersonate even more YouTubers by creating replicas of some of their physical traits. It's called Mixture B235.
Oh!
We completely misunderstood everything.
Yeah, it sounded like robbing a bank.
Yeah.
But I guess technically, robbing banks.
Ba-
A guy named
some
Banks.
Guy, yeah, some scientist named Banks.
Yeah.
And he has a chemical to do all that?
Whoa.
Yeah.
And so it's to impersonate us YouTubers?
This is a lot more difficult than I thought.
I mean, this is way worse than robbing a bank. They're gonna rob all of our identities, all of us YouTubers.
Okay, we need to find that Joseph Banks and
Yeah.
save him, you guys.
Yes.
You guys go find him. I'm gonna stay watch for any hackers that might still show up to the bank. Okay?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds
They
like
might
a
still
great
try to do
idea.
that.
All right, Dan, you should come with us.
Okay, yeah, I will.
All right.
Thank you so much to all of you who show up whenever I post a brand new video. I'm showing your comments right here. Make sure to check out Chad's video right here. And subscribe to me, subscribe to Chad, subscribe to Daniel, subscribe to Steven. And I will see you next time. All right, guys, let's do a kick bump out. 1, 2, 3.